Good morning and good evening everyone. Today I'm going to cook crawfish and shrimp with coconut milk. It's very delicious recipe guys for our lunch. Was really good the crawfish and the shrimp, and also you have to boil 4 minutes without water, and then you have to stir it and add 1 tablespoon of salt or 2 tablespoons of salt and stir it well. And then after that you have to boil it again for 4 minutes or 5 minutes, and then set aside the clean plate. And then yes, after that you have to add 2 tablespoons of butter or 3 tablespoons of butter. It's up to you. It's pick up the butter. Equivalent is 2 tablespoons and 1/2 onion slice. And then you have to stir it. When the onion is a little bit cooked, you have to add the sliced ham of ginger. How to make it really good, and also 4 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, or not minced garlic. You can put the minced garlic, and then you have to stir it. After to stir the ingredients, you have to add the boiled crawfish in, and then you have to stir it very well. It's really good. It's because salad is salad from the restaurant, and also add 1 pan of coconut milk. I just add half and leave the rest of the coconut milk later before the crawfish and shrimp is cooked. And add 1 tablespoon of shrimp, and also add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and you have to make it good, really good, so the flavor is heaven. This kind of recipe guys, very delicious. And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you have no brown sugar, then you have to add white sugar, 2 tablespoons. And also the rest of coconut milk you have to add, and add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and you mix it well. And this kind of shrimp guys is very delicious, very delicious recipe, and you have to taste it, make sure the taste is good. If you lack taste then or salt, then you have to add the salt to taste. You have to estimate, and then you have to cover it until the sauce gets sticky. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and shout out to all my subscriber and to those always visit my channel. Thank you very much, and please leave comment, and to those who don't subscribe yet, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you and appreciate a lot for visiting the channel, and don't forget to like and share and leave comment. So as soon as I see it, and I will come back to you as soon as possible. So thank you very much. Take care and God bless. I'll see you at my next video, and also a green chili and onion leaves and or scallion, because scallion, onion leaves, or sibuyas dahon in our language in the Philippines. Thank you so much and take care. The food is ready to serve, guys. We used to eat this with rice, and this is our lunch. Very delicious. So if you want, you need to try it. And again, please don't forget to subscribe and post the notification, so every time I upload my video, you can see every time my video is uploaded. So thank you all, love you guys, and really appreciated that you always visit my channel. And what I said again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and especially leave comment. Bye. God bless to all of you.